Bullish Jasmy coin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 3 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept JASMY could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital currency market continues developing and stretching out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding, with this non-stop development and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a vote-based system at a high worth and plans to go about as a delegate for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't effortlessly gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise twisting? And what's the cost conjecture for Jasmy before very long? Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. Yet the organization used to construct it as Global Space Document Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3's stockpiling network that offers the impetuses of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy coin current cost. Jasmy coin is presently worth $0. JASMY has moved 1.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $27,475,733. Jasmy coin is presently positioned 636 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $221,908,541 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The JASMY cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Jasmy coin JASMY cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the JASMY's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. In the event that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy Coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 3 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. What is the Jasmy Coin cost today? Today, Jasmy Coin is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $221,908,541. Is Jasmy Coin a wise venture? Jasmy Coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that JASMY is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Jasmy Coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy Coin might conceivably reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Jasmy Coin might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Jasmy Coin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of digital money and Jasmy Coin, a drawn-out interest in JASMY could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Jasmy Coin be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Jasmy Coin today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of JASMY might actually ascend to 5 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2024? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2024. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2025? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2025. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2026? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 2 cents by 2026. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2027? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 2 cents by 2027. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2028? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 3 cents by 2020.